Let's see who does it better, Kanbanchi or Jira. Kanbanchi has a clean and intuitive user interface, especially if you're already familiar with Google Workspace. Its interface looks simple and not overly complicated, and its drag and drop functionality is extremely smooth. Kanbanchi also offers extensive customization options. Users can rebrand their boards, rename and add new columns, change the color of cards, label them, and add tags. Jira's interface is more complex, and it takes more time to understand where each feature is and how it works. On top of that, the design and the interface look less polished. Moreover, when it comes to customization options, there are many limitations. Users can add labels, but they're not color-coded, which makes them less distinguishable. There is also no way to change the color of the cards and the background image, which, if you ask me, is pretty sad. Kanbanchi offers a built-in time tracker to measure time spent on each task card. You can also set an estimated amount of time to complete each task, which you can later compare to the time spent. Along with your start and end dates, you can also add the time by which a task should be started or completed. Plus, Kanbanchi allows you to attach documents from your Google Drive or local storage to your cards. Jira lacks a built-in time tracking system that allows you to start and end the tracking. Instead, you have to add the feature to your task cards and then manually add the time. It's a truly slow process. When it comes to setting start and due dates, you cannot set a time alongside with the date. On Jira, you can also attach documents to your cards, although it is limited to your local storage unless you install a plugin. Kanbanchi is perfectly made for companies that use Google Workspace. It is seamlessly integrated with the Google environment, and it is easy to be mastered by any Google users. All your boards live within your Google Drive. You can easily attach Google Drive documents and folders to your task cards and synchronize your task starts and end dates to your Google Calendar. On top of that, you can use the Gmail plugin to create tasks from within your email. Jira's integration with Google Workspace isn't nearly as seamless as Kanbanchi's, and you'll be forced to add plugins to your boards. So listen, both you and I know that you should try Kanbanchi. Use the link in the description to get a 40% discount on your first purchase.